subtracting linear expressions. So we have 2x plus 4 minus, and then negative x plus 5. So we've been talking about doing this. Leave the first set of parentheses, change subtraction to addition, and then do the opposite of everything in the second set of parentheses. So if we leave the first set, change subtraction to addition, the opposite of a negative x is a positive x. The opposite of a positive 5 is now a negative 5. All right. Some of you might need to rewrite this because it's easier. I have a blue pen over black. It's easy to see. Yours might not be that way. Then the second step, we must rewrite it up and down. That is a must. You have to rewrite this up and down. And then we have an x plus, minus 5. All right. So now we're going to do 4 plus a negative 5 gives us a negative 1. And then 2 plus x. Remember, there's technically a 1 here. So 2 plus 1 is 3x. So 3x minus 1. The next one, we're going to do leave, change, opposite. So leave the first one, change subtraction to addition. The opposite of a 7 is a negative 7. The opposite of a negative 1 is a positive 1. So we're going to rewrite this, and everyone has to rewrite it. Up and down, plus a negative 7x plus 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 6 plus negative 7. Who can tell me what 6 plus a negative 7?
Negative 1.
Good. Negative 1. X. Or some people would just write it as a negative x plus 10. Either way would be acceptable. All right, number 3. The number of runs scored by the home team at a baseball game is represented by x plus 7. The number of runs scored by the visiting team is represented by 3x minus 7. Write an expression to find how many more runs the home team scored than the visiting team. How can you find how many more than something else? If I had 10 home runs and you had 8 home runs, how could we figure out how many more? What would I have to do? If I have 10 and you have 8, how can I figure out how many more runs that I have?
You subtract.
Yeah, you subtract them. I would have 2 more. So for this one, we're going to also subtract. The home team would be x plus 7. And then we're going to do, so we're doing leave, change the subtraction to addition, and then the opposite. So negative 3x plus 7. So we're going to do add negative 3x plus 7. So 7 plus 7 is 14. 1 plus negative 3 is a negative 2x. This is going to be worth 1 point on your assignment if you have a problem like this. The second point is to plug in the 6. So what does that mean? It means that you're going to put the 6 in for x, which you would rewrite it as negative 2 and then parentheses 6 plus 14. So what's a negative 2 times 6?
Negative 12.
Okay. Plus 14 then would be what? What's negative 12 plus 14? 2. So it would be like 2 runs, basically. All right.